Hey, call 911!
Starting live video.
You got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, if you fold it up,
I'm gay.
I
have crippling depression. I'm gay. What a lovely day.
Hey, boys!
What are you... What the f*** are you wearing? We said be tactical, dude. This is not tactical.
Respect the drip, Karen.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
He told me non-binary people don't exist. But I found this thing in my closet.
I like bread.
Always get the vibe that you, like, hate me or something. What? Me hate you? You're right.
You are my dad.
You're my dad.
Wookie, wookie, wookie.
This is why Mom doesn't fucking love you.
To work or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work?
No.
It's gotta take your time getting pretty. You think all this was an accident?
Yes, you were.
Mama, what's that noise outside?
There's a shooter outside. Lock the door.
A shooter? I'm right here, you missed!
Frank, Daniel, get your...
I'm right here, you missed! Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
Hey, I bet you I can hit this note.
No, please don't.
Every time I go out there, I feel I do my best, but they don't.
Let me ask you a very fair question. What do you do successfully? Quickly.